I want my future kids to have a good sense of their savings and expenses. What are the best things to teach them about personal savings? Yeah. So the most important thing is just explain to them the future value of money. So for example, if you buy a $300 set of Beats earphones, okay? If instead you put that in the markets, stock markets, over 40 or 50 years, that $300 becomes $35,000. The numbers add up, and I teach it in that course and in my MBA program as well. So teach them the future value of money. Tell them this also. If you spend $3 every week on virtual gems, then you're giving up a Ferrari, in 30 years. Give them the time value of money. And let me show you guys something right now about saving money that I think is really, really helpful. I've got a beta product here I want to show you. So let me go here to the beta version of this product here. And I will go down here to the final step. Give me 1 second, guys. This will be worth it. All right, hold on. Okay. Great. Okay, good. So here's what we're going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how much money you can save monthly in the long run and make you a millionaire. Okay, and this is not a, hey, I promise to make you rich thing, but it makes sense. So first of all, I want you to, I'm going to type in here, what is the average historical stock market return, right? So it's usually 12 to 15%. So I'll do 12% here. How many years do you want to do this analysis for? I'll do 45 years. Okay, what's the currency? It's dollars. All right, so what I did here was I entered in a bunch of things. So how much money can we save on coffee per month? So instead of me going to $4, which is what I call Starbucks, and if I make coffee at home instead, I can save $2 a day. $2 a day times 30 days is $60. Okay, so this is the this here is the annual savings, but over 45 years, it's that much money. Yes, 600 grand if you make your coffee at home. That's right. The numbers add up. And for techies out there and finance people, I'm using the future value calculation here. And for people in my MBA program, you're going to be getting this soon. Okay, rent. What if I spend $600 a month on rent right now, and I decide, you know what, man? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to buy a place. That's $6 million in savings. That's right, in the long run. What about Netflix? If I downgrade Netflix from, I don't know, $18 to $10, the cheaper version, I save $120 per year, which is $97,000 in 45 years, right? And I can make this bigger if you want to as well, or smaller. Okay. All the numbers do filter through. I think it's from up above. Yeah. Okay. And then right here, if I get rid of Canva, I save that much. If I pack my lunch, which is $100 per month in savings or whatever it is, then eventually, and that's $1,200 per year, I save $1 million. $1 million from packing your own lunch. Listen to your parents or your grandparents. They're right. Yeah. In-app purchases, if I don't do that, $5, a month, whatever it is, then I save 50 grand, Spotify, whatever, all that stuff. Carpool to work, $100 a month. That's $1 million in the long run. And here's just a chart showing it here, right? So I'm still working on this. It's not perfected yet. All these numbers are being pulled from above. Yeah. Okay. But hopefully that impresses upon you how small savings add up in the long run.